Indeed, the atmosphere is like a fluid, and this time of the year we can get some ominous-looking skies. And today, some of you may see some threatening skies from west to east. And right now, the Storm Prediction Center has us in a isolated to scattered risk for a severe thunderstorm, but that's mostly across southeastern Virginia into North and South Carolina. That's the corridor most favored for severe weather later on today, but cannot rule out a couple of strong to severe storms between now and 6 o'clock, and any storm could produce some damaging wind and some hail. Outside live, though, looking over downtown Charlottesville, the weather is A-OK. It's breezy, it's hot, typical of June, and it is quite muggy, too. Some fair weather cumulus clouds in our blue sky, but some of these clouds will billow on up into thunderstorms over the next few hours. Temperatures are warming through the low and mid 80s right now. 84 in downtown Charlottesville, upper 70s to near 80 in Stanton to Waynesboro and Harrisonburg. Dry skies right now on NBC. 29 is exclusive. Dual pole chip off the radar. A little bit of a shower between Lynchburg and Lexington, and a weak area of showers and downpours over eastern West Virginia, crossing over into far western Virginia into areas of Covington. Some of that may try to head to the I-81 corridor, Shenandoah Valley over the next few hours, but the atmosphere is starting to get its act together. There's a low pressure area and a cold front centered over Kentucky, eastern Tennessee. This area, as it moves eastbound, will energize showers and storms from North and South Carolina up into portions of Virginia. So Futurecast shows over the next few hours a scattered shower and thunderstorm developing. One thing that may prevent widespread showers and storms is a downsloping wind from the mountains that will help to stabilize the atmosphere at times. So it looks like the majority of the storms may stay just to the south. Otherwise, overnight into tomorrow morning, A-OK at Friday 8 a.m. No weather issues, a breath of fresh air, northwest breezes, lower humidity, and somewhat lower temperature. So we are dry, I guarantee it, tomorrow. Most areas are dry Saturday. A small chance for a shower and storm, mainly near and west of the Blue Ridge Mountains later Sunday and Sunday night. A bit of an uptick with a shower and storm with a warm front on Monday. But overall, it's a hot and humid pattern for the first week of summertime next week. Your forecast for today: hazy, hot and humid, breezy, with highs of the low to mid 80s for the valley, mid to upper 80s, almost 90 in central Virginia, with that risk for a widely scattered shower and storm. Any evening shower and storm will fade away by sunset for sure. Lows will be in the 60s by daybreak, with breezy, more refreshing conditions. Highs tomorrow barely 80 in the valley, low to mid 80s for central Virginia, with a high sunburn index the first day of summer tomorrow, which begins just before noon. Michael and Son 7-day forecast, nice and dry. Tomorrow night in the upper 50s by early on Saturday. During the day, Saturday looks to be dry, sunshine, low 80s, more humid Sunday, a stray shower and storm mainly west towards the valley. A better chance for a scattered storm Monday, a highs of 90 on Tuesday with a small chance for a storm. But overall, that is a typical June weather pattern later in the weekend into especially next week.
It sure is. We're sort of getting used to it here at this point. Okay, thank you, Josh.